When you run a report, QuickBooks organizes your data into columns. Each column represents a type of data you entered on a transaction, or a record of someone or something you do business with. Read the column header to see what kind of information you'll see there. If you'd like a column to be wider, select this line. Hold down the button, drag the line to where you want it to be, and release the button. Select the Columns button to reorder, remove, and add columns. In the Reorder tab, you'll see all the columns currently on the report with a check. To remove a column, uncheck it. You can select and drag columns to reorder them. And you can add columns that other QuickBooks users commonly add to reports like this. If you use QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can use the More Columns tab to look through a full list of options. You can have up to 40 columns on a report. See how many you currently have here. Now that you know how to adjust columns, check out our other reporting videos.